Check out all those bags so far we took. All right, y'all ready to unpack so we go to the next stop? Let's do it. Hi guys, check out all these bags we're getting. This is our first stop. We still have a lot more to go. So grateful for everybody. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving. Hi everybody. We're here with the results of the 2022 annual Thanksgiving food drive. Thank you everyone to the local neighborhood and the community. It's a collaborative effort. We appreciate all of your donations every year. This is the 9th annual year we've done this, and I'm so excited to donate all this to those in need, to the Hope of the Valley Rescue Mission. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and we'll see you next year. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.